Tell them what it is.
The 1964 Galaxie 500 XL, 390 4-speed.
Big block, right?
Big block car.
Sounds mean.
Shifting them gears, that's how mean, ain't it?
Yeah. Probably put you back in the seat.
1964
Yeah, muscle car.
Muscle car, yeah.
All original numbers, matching car. Very nice, real nice.
For 1964, it's pretty nice. I want to make it nicer.
Yeah.
I'm going to tear it all apart and redo it and paint it and make it slicker.
Yeah.
Real slick.
It's going to look a little meaner when you get done with it.
Put the House of Clear, Show Clear on it.
Some Krager wheels.
That's Kragers. Some chrome traction bars. That's about it.
Yeah.
We'll drive around in it and listen to the AM radio because it works. We're going old school.
Yeah.
AM radio. I think it works. Let's see what's going on.
As a matter of fact, I look at it this way. When he begins his preaching,
just visit the Joint and Spine Center.
That speaker back here in the back. That speaker back there.
513-585.
Sounds good,
Barry Larkin here. And the best thing about being in Cincinnati, getting to work with Joe Becker and the winning team at Columbia Chevrolet. Market for a car. Find new.
You're going to jack it up, put some Kragers on it, some traction bars, make it mean. And put a fresh paint job on it. A show paint job.